Ever wondered how to create compelling YouTube content without ever showing your face on camera? And even more interesting, start receiving payments from YouTube with the YouTube Partner Program as soon as the first video is published. So hang on until the end of the video because we're going to reveal something that will blow your mind. Trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end of this video because I'll be sharing an exclusive secret weapon that catapulted my YouTube journey into success much faster than I ever thought possible. Welcome to the world of faceless videos, a realm where your identity can remain a mystery and yet your content can still shine. Are you a private person? Or perhaps you're just not comfortable in the spotlight? No problem. Faceless videos provide the perfect solution. These videos offer flexibility and anonymity, allowing you to express yourself and share your ideas, all without stepping into the limelight. They open up a world of possibility, enabling you to let your creativity flow unrestricted by concerns of personal appearance or privacy. And the best part? It's easier than you might think. With the right tools and techniques, you can create engaging, high-quality content that captures your audience's attention, all without revealing your identity. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets behind creating faceless videos. The first step towards creating a faceless video is scripting, and AI tools can be a game changer in this aspect. The landscape of artificial intelligence offers a plethora of tools that can be harnessed for script creation. These tools, such as natural language generation software, can generate creative and engaging scripts in a fraction of the time it would take a human. They can analyze vast amounts of data, identifying trends and patterns, which can be used to create scripts that resonate with your audience. Another beauty of these tools is their ability to learn and improve over time, adapting their output to your specific needs and style. And the best part, they're available around the clock, ready to churn out scripts at a moment's notice. Imagine the time and resources you could save, not to mention the consistency in your content. With AI tools at your disposal, script creation becomes a breeze. Now that you have your script, it's time to breathe life into it with neural voiceovers and effective video editing. Neural voiceovers, the cornerstone of faceless videos, use artificial intelligence to convert text into speech. They're your unseen narrators, speaking with a human-like cadence and tone. These AI-powered voiceovers can speak in a variety of languages and accents, so you can tailor your narration to your content and audience. To get started, you'll want to explore various platforms that offer neural voiceover services. Some popular ones include Google's text-to-speech, Amazon Polly, and Microsoft Azure's text-to-speech. Each of these platforms has its own unique features, so it's a good idea to play around and see which one suits your needs the best. Once you've chosen your platform, the process is usually as simple as inputting your script and selecting your desired voice type, language, and accent. After that, the software will generate your voiceover, ready for use in your video. Now, let's move on to video editing. The good news is that you don't need to be a professional video editor to create engaging, faceless videos. There are plenty of user-friendly video editing software options out there that can help you put together your video without ever needing to show your face. To start, you'll want to gather your visuals. This could be anything from stock footage, images, animations, or even simple text on a screen. The key here is to ensure that your visuals align with your script and voiceover. In your chosen video editing software, you can then arrange your visuals in a timeline that matches your script and voiceover. You can also add in transition effects, background music, and sound effects to enhance your video and keep your viewers engaged. Remember, your goal is to tell a compelling story that captivates your audience, all without showing your face. It might seem like a daunting task at first, but with a bit of practice and creativity, you'll find that it's more than achievable. Neural voiceovers and video editing are the key elements that bring your script to life. And with these tools at your disposal, you're well on your way to creating engaging, faceless videos. The world is your stage, and you're the unseen star. A great video isn't just about speech and visuals, it's also about the right music, images, and video footage. So where do we find these essential elements, you ask? Well, the internet is teeming with resources. For tunes to complement your content, consider royalty-free music platforms such as Free Music Archive or Incompetech. These platforms offer a vast library of tracks across various genres, perfect for setting the tone of your video. Moving on to images and video footage. Stock image and video platforms like Unsplash or Pixabay offer high-quality, royalty-free visuals that can enhance your video. From stunning landscapes to intricate illustrations, you'll find a myriad of options to choose from. Remember, it's not just about choosing random images or music. It's about selecting resources that align with your content, that add depth and dimension to your narrative. The right resources can enhance the overall appeal of your faceless video. And with that, let's delve into automating video creation and management in our next segment. Why do all the hard work when you can automate video creation and management? In this digital age, automation is the name of the game. It's not about replacing human creativity, but rather enhancing it, making processes more efficient, and freeing up time for more strategic tasks. So how can you automate video creation and management? One way is by recruiting freelancers. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are teeming with creative professionals ready to help you create and manage videos. You can hire script writers, voiceover artists, and video editors who are experts in their fields. The beauty of this approach is that it's scalable. You can hire freelancers on a project-by-project basis, or keep a pool of trusted professionals for regular work. But how do you automate this process? By setting clear guidelines and expectations. Create a standard operating procedure, or an SOP, detailing every step of the video creation process. This could include the style of writing for the scripts, the tone for the voiceovers, and the look and feel for the video edits. This way, freelancers know exactly what you want, reducing the need for constant supervision. You can also use project management tools like Trello or Asana to track the progress of each video. These tools allow you to assign tasks, set deadlines, and monitor the workflow. It's like having a virtual production studio at your fingertips. And what about automating the actual video creation? AI tools can help with that. Platforms like Lumen 5 and InVideo can turn your scripts into videos automatically. Just upload your script, choose your preferred style and music, and let the AI do the rest. Finally, consider automating the publishing and promotion of your videos. Social media scheduling tools like Buffer or Hootsuite can post your videos at the optimal times for maximum engagement. You can also set up automatic responses to comments and messages, ensuring your audience feels heard and engaged. With automation, you can create and manage your videos more efficiently. By leveraging technology and outsourcing, you can focus on what matters most, creating quality content and growing your business. So, why not give automation a try? Now that you've created your video, it's time to make money from it. But first, I'd like to take a moment to share something really exciting with you. Imagine you want to have a popular YouTube channel, but you think it's too hard to get started, or even more to join the YouTube Partner Program. Well, I found something extraordinary that has helped me a lot. It's called DFY Dave's YouTube Monetization Service. This service is like a shortcut to quickly meet YouTube's rules for making money with your videos. DFY stands for Done For You, and has been set up by a very successful YouTuber with a huge following and online business experience. His service promises to do all the work for you. He creates your channel, makes videos, and makes sure you're ready to make money. That means he helps you get the 4,000 viewing hours and 1,000 subscribers required by YouTube. And he does it quickly and smoothly. It's hard to work hard on videos and then not be sure you can join the YouTube Partner Program. But DFY Dave is a game changer. Their help saved me a lot of time and money, and by using their service, I started making money with my channel much sooner than I thought. So if you really want to get known on YouTube and don't want to wait or worry, you should definitely check out DFY Dave's service. Affiliate marketing is also a simple and effective way to monetize your videos. You partner with a brand or business, promote their products or services in your videos, and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. The trick here is to partner with brands that align with your content and resonate with your viewers. Brand promotion, on the other hand, involves direct collaboration with brands. They pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. This could be in the form of reviews, tutorials, or simply incorporating their product into your content. Always remember, authenticity is key. Promote products you believe in to maintain trust with your audience. In both cases, the more views and engagement your videos get, the higher your earning potential. Monetizing your videos can turn your creativity into a source of income. Your videos can also serve as a platform to promote your related businesses. This is where the magic really happens. Imagine you have a business selling handmade crafts. You could create faceless videos showing the process of making these crafts, or perhaps sharing useful tips and tricks. The key here is to weave your business seamlessly into your content. By doing so, you're not only sharing valuable content, but also subtly promoting your business. You're not explicitly selling anything, yet you're creating a desire in your audience to explore your business further. This is a strategy used by many successful content creators, and it's a win-win situation. Your audience gets valuable content, and you get to promote your business without being pushy. Remember, your audience is more likely to engage with your business if they feel they are gaining something from your content. Your faceless videos can be a powerful tool for business promotion.